Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We just made it to San Francisco. We're staying here for 3 nights. We're so excited. We've never had like a staycation in San Francisco and like really got a taste of the city and just kind of acting like a local, going to coffee shops, checking all the parks. We're finally gonna make a little trip here. We're so excited. Kind of sandwiched between Russian Hill and the marina. Today is 72 degrees. It looks so perfect. We're about to go grab some lunch. We just got here. It's 12:30, I think almost 1 p.m. and we're going to the Boys Deli. I heard that it's the best sandwich in the city, so we're gonna go see what it's all about. I'm just in a super comfy outfit. I'm wearing all of Aerie actually. Okay, I see Daniel now. He got everything completed, checked in the hotel. Hello.
Ready?
Let's go.
Whoa.
Okay, it's an Italian. We got it with lettuce, tomato, pepperoni, chipotle mayo. Look at that. That's really good. We just finished up with the boys and we were both saying how much it got better the more we ate it. The bread was so good. Now we're kind of wanting a smoothie. We're going to Muse Juice Bar. Okay, this is the one I'm getting. PB Gaines. Let us know.
Wow,
Making our way to Crissy Field East Beach. It's such nice weather, so we're gonna take advantage of the warm weather. And then we're gonna walk the marina, go to the Palace of Fine Arts. We've never been to these super touristy places, so we're gonna start there. And then we're gonna walk all the way to Fisherman's Wharf, and then probably end our day at North Beach, and then have dinner at North Beach. I have a place saved for some Chinese food later. Yeah, that's gonna be our itinerary for today on this lovely Friday. I think we're still in Russian Hill. We're just now passing Lombard Street. Super cute. The buildings are, of course, super San Francisco-esque. Made it to the Palace of Fine Arts. We're just gonna stroll around here. It looks super cute. It's our first time. It's so cute. Daniel said he didn't even know something like this existed in America. The architecture here is actually so surprisingly beautiful. Wow, look at that. Going to Fisherman's Wharf. It literally looks like yo-yos. Oh my gosh, guys, the sea lions! Those are so cute! It's them making sounds. Daniel got burned. Results of not wearing sunscreen. We're in North Beach now, and we're gonna go to House of Nanking to get some Chinese food. I think we're approaching Chinatown. Super cool. I think we're seeing the big buildings of Financial District. Here's my view. Look at that building. I always see this building on TikTok. This green one. So cute. Isn't that cool? We got some beef pop stickers. These are fried. Here's the beef. Okay, we got their house noodles. It's like a black sesame sauce, some spinach. That's so good. Came to Stella Pastries. Ooh, that looks so perfect. Gorgeous day in San Francisco. The next morning, it's 9 a.m. right now. We're gonna go grab some coffee from Third Wheel. Looks super good. It has like 5-star reviews. I looked for the best of the best and I think this one looks really good. Next door to it is called The Mill. We're gonna get some toast. They have cinnamon sugar toast, egg in a whole type toast, and then right next to it we're gonna go to the park. It's Alamo Square where the painted ladies are, and we're gonna eat our toast there. So let's go.
Mine. That looks amazing.
Got a hot latte. We always do oat milk. I like this coffee shop. It's like a little hole in the wall. Ceilings are low, but those are usually the best coffees. Oh, that's so cute. That's literally what their coffee shop looks like. They have 2 little mini Lamorzaco machines. I got cinnamon sugar toast. Daniel got egg in a hole. That's really good. Just finished up with breakfast and coffee. And we're making our way to Hayes Valley now to do some shopping and look at their vintage stores. At this street right now, and I thought I'd show you guys, it's so pretty. Where we came from, we walked up the hill up here, and then to your right, there's this park entrance right here. And then over there is the view of the city buildings, financial district. Like, city life is the best life. We're at Stone Mill Matcha, getting a pick-me-up for some caffeine. We're getting really hot, so we have to switch.
Okay, what I've got.
Oh,
Look at that.
look at that color. That looks so good. The color.
That looks insane.
Wow. Taste test. Wow. The strawberry flavor. Wow. This is such a good pick-me-up.
That is so good.
I would say, honestly, like 10 out of 10. Like, I wouldn't change anything about it. We're grabbing some lunch at Senor Suzik. Really good burritos here, so we're gonna get a chicken burrito for some lunch. Okay, we got their like specialty burrito. I think it's the Senor burrito. And we got it with chicken. It literally looks so good. It smells so amazing. It comes with rice, and I love a rice burrito.
That's good, huh? Right?
Wow. Coffee time. It's a little colder today. First got out of our hotel just wearing the cardigans, and then I asked Daniel to go grab my trench coat. We're going to Richmond and Sunset. We're gonna go to Ursucolt Bakery to start off our morning and get some pastries from the most iconic, highly rated pastry shop. We're excited. Ursucolt Bakery. That's what the line looks like behind. We got our almond croissant and then morning bun. Here it is.
Fresh.
Wow. That literally tastes straight out of Paris. It's so fresh and good. Wow. The morning bun is still like warm. I'm not even being dramatic. It's so good. Finished up with breakfast. 10 out of 10, so good. We're gonna go grab some coffee now. It's a little windy. I don't know how long we'll be outside, but we'll see. An iced vanilla raspberry latte from Compton. It's our last morning here. This place looks so good. The coffee color looks amazing. Let's give it a try. I love the raspberry. Daniel's hot. There's Boy Chick next to Compton, so we're gonna grab a bagel from here.
Well, that looks pretty good.
We're gonna grab Johnny's Donuts.
Thanks so much. What we got?
Vanilla sprinkle and strawberry. My favorite donuts are strawberry donuts. I I went to Little Original Joe's to grab a chicken Caesar wrap, and we came back to Crissy Field Beach because it's just so beautiful here. Set myself up a little picnic. We are heading home. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog in San Francisco. We had so much fun, so much good food and coffee. Really gonna miss this place and its charm and the neighborhoods and the walks and getting 20K steps in every day. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you guys at home. Bye.